And they have 9... and they have 9 locations. Celebrate your happy occasions with Dairy Queen frozen cake. They have all of your favorite flavors, such as strawberry cheesecake, Oreo, vanilla, and also chocolate extreme. Available in 6, 8, 10 inches, lug, sheet, and heart shape. The best thing, you can customize your own cake with edible pictures. Dilly Bar DQ Sandwich Buster Bar is available here. Beat the summer heat with DQ Treats, vanilla and chocolate cones. Peanut Buster Strawberry Sundae available in other flavors. Misty Slush and Misty Free, Frappe and milkshakes. Banana Split. And of course, the world famous Blizzard. Available in different flavors. DQ Grill and Chill. Did you know that Dairy Queen also serves your favorite snacks?